What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. We're talking about Litecoin today and why Litecoin could really moon this next year in 2018. And I cover before I get into that, I want to disclose this. Because I'm pro Litecoin does not make me anti-Bitcoin. I diversify my money amongst tons of different cryptos, and diversification is the name of the game. You have to diversify. Litecoin is one of the cryptocurrencies that I own a decent amount in. It is not the one I own the most in, but I am very much bullish on Litecoin. However, I'm going to say this. If you're watching this video, Litecoin, I predict today or tomorrow or the day after, Litecoin will probably correct. And the reason I say that is on the MACD indicator. If you can see right here, over here we had a MACD cross, and this led to the bull run, and it went over here, and we saw the RSI pump up to overbuying, and of course that's where that big bull run came from, where it surged up so much to where it's at its current price of almost 140. Now I do look at the MACD and see the blue line and the green. These are both moving averages, by the way. If these cross again in reverse, we will likely see a correction, a temporary bear market, if you will, where prices consolidate. So I am just going to disclose that, if you're watching this video and you're like, hey, why would you post this and Litecoin be down tomorrow or the day after? That's what I think it will be. Just know that, yes, there's short-term price movements and there's long-term. In this video, I'm talking about the long term. In the long term, I think Litecoin could very easily break 300 in 2018. Litecoin, in my opinion's main competitor is Dash, and I do own Dash as well. However, compared to Dash, Litecoin is a lot more of an active cryptocurrency, meaning there's a lot more trading going on, and you can measure this in volume between Litecoin versus Dash. So at this moment, oops, malware bytes, gotta upgrade that. At this moment, Litecoin is a better transactional cryptocurrency than Dash. The only thing Dash at this moment has over Litecoin is Dash is a jack of all trades. It does do the transactional things pretty well, and it also does have some privacy features. Not as much as Monero, but it does have some privacy features that Litecoin does not. Now, on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin, if Bitcoin gets Lightning Network and, you have talks about SegWit 2x and things, those will have an effect on Litecoin's price, because a lot of people, for me at least, I view Bitcoin as the digital bank, the digital gold. It is the store of value. Litecoin at this moment is a better transactional cryptocurrency than Bitcoin. However, both have their value. I own both Bitcoin and Litecoin because I always say diversify. And to me, every cryptocurrency has something special about it. There are exceptions, some that are just complete crap, but to me, a lot of the cryptocurrencies out there, they each have pros and cons, and that's what we take from it, and where do we think the pros and cons are. So I think Litecoin in 2018 is going to have a big year, and I think the moon is really the limit. If you look right now on the RSI, we are starting to dip down, so I think we're going to see some price correction tomorrow or the day after. But let me just go into this and go into the 1-day chart to go a little bit more long term. If we go a little bit more long term and we go into the 1-day chart, things do look a bit different. So it might actually be a good day tomorrow, but only time will tell. It depends, it's the bulls versus the bears. Are people going to take the profit and run, or are people going to hold steady? And for me, at least, I'm holding steady. Litecoin, the moon is the limit. If you guys enjoyed this video, get on my email list. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the video. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. Litecoin 2018. You caught it here first. Let me just go over here real quick. And I'm going to show you guys something that, I predicted, and I was a little bit late in the prediction, in the sense that I said it would be in 2018. And instead of that, it happened, it's almost 2018. But let me just show you guys this real quick. Right over here, I showed you guys, this was 4 months ago, not that long ago, I said Litecoin is set to explode, and look at this. What happens today? We see, today and yesterday, Litecoin's up over 50%. It is at 140, just about. I think we're going to consolidate. I think we're going to dip down in the short term. But again, in the long term, guys, there's no getting around it. Litecoin is going to have a great 2018. And I think it's going to reach 250 to 300 500, which is very conservative. I hope I'm wrong and it breaks 500. But again, Litecoin does move a little bit slower because it has a higher supply. So if you don't own Litecoin, you might want to buy some tomorrow or the day after the price starts to consolidate. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great day.